Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at probably one of the easiest solutions for a screen protector for your iPhone 10, 10s, or 10s Max. And this one's brought to us by Spigen. Let's go and check it out. Are you looking to install a screen protector on your phone and get it right the first time, especially for your iPhone 10 or 10s Max? Then check out this video because I'm going to show you how this new product from Spigen makes installing a screen protector like this worry-free. Let's go ahead and do it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Alright, so before doing the unboxing and the install, let's take a look at some of the key points here. First of all, easy installation. Second, it does have that repellent technology that's going to repel fingerprints, oils, makeup kind of stuff that gets on our phones. And if you find yourself wiping down your phone often, you may want to look at this screen protector. And it's made out of real glass. Also has decent hardness as well. So let's go ahead and see what's in the package. We'll go through the installation and we'll see how easy it is. So in the box you're going to have 2 installation trays with 2 screen protectors. You also have cleaning supplies. So you have the wipes as well as the microfiber towels, dust remover stickers, and then you also have a little squeegee. So guys, if you're watching this video just to figure out your installation process, make sure you watch the video at least once before you go ahead and do it. So the first thing I always like doing, and I always say this on the videos as we're working with screen protectors, is make sure that we wipe down the screen even if it's a brand new phone. So always recommend that you do it, and that's going to make sure that the adhesive of the screen protector will fit. The next thing you want to make sure is that you're in a dust-free environment. So we want to make sure that the fan is not going, none of that stuff is going. So as long as you have no fan, no central air, you've wiped it down, you'll be ready for the next step. So let me do the same thing with mine. I'm just going to wipe it down now. Now this screen protector is available for both the iPhone 10 smaller version, the 10s Max, and I'm sure that Spigen, given the fact that they are making accessories for the full line of Apple products, and for that matter, a lot of other phones as well, they're going to have this also for the XR and all the models. So I'm just going to wipe this down, get it nice and clean, use a microfiber to just dust it off, and then we should be ready to go. Alright, so I went ahead and wiped it down. And take a look at it. You can see no dust there yet. So now that I have this taken care of, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the tray. Now with the tray, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece first. You're going to remove it, and then once you remove it, we're going to place the phone face down. Now what I'm going to do is just to avoid any dust getting in, I'm actually going to do it upside down like this. I'm going to make sure that's clean, and then I'm going to bring the phone this way, just because just want to avoid anything coming on from this angle. You could try it the other way too, but that's just my style. Alright, so step 1, we're going to remove this, and then I'm just putting it this way so that I don't get any dust. Place it right here for a second. Over here, I'm going to re-inspect my screen, make sure there isn't anything there. That looks good. And then I'm going to take the phone, you know what, I'll try it this way too. Place it in place, just like this. So you see how it goes in, just like that. Place it down. And the tray itself is going to help with the alignment. Now the instructions say please wait 30 seconds then remove the sticker. So I'm going to go ahead and press down, and the reason why it's having you press in the middle as opposed to pressing on the sides is because what you want to do is by pressing in the middle you're starting the sticky process in the middle, and then you're able to get the bubbles out using the squeegee from the sides. It would be harder if you squeeze in the sides and then you're working with bubbles in the middle. So then all you're going to do is press here, bring down like this. Just do that a couple times. Going to wait 30 seconds, and then we're going to remove this sticker. Alright, so I gave you the 30 seconds. I pressed here and here, and you can see that the screen is already responding. Now I can see already through it that there is a bubble there. I'm okay with that, right? And you can see it right here on the side a little bit. But what we're going to do next is we're going to remove this sticker. So this is the next step. And I'm not concerned about the bubble because that bubble we'll be able to remove it with the squeegee. So I'm just going to bring up like this. Remove this on the sides. It's really sticky. Alright, so that's removed. I think we got it all. Now what should happen is that the screen protector and the phone should come right through. Right? Now you'll notice I do have, looks like some bubbles here. Not really worried about that, because the next step is to use that squeegee that we had. And what we're going to do is we're going to push these bubbles. We're going to push them away. And you already have like a little film on here. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. You could do it with the film. I just find that there is kind of some resistance with it. So I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to squeegee my way around. Alright, so one thing I wanted to show you is that as I remove this, and remember how this had, it looked like it had some marks on there. Let's see if that comes up on camera. I'll put it right here. The marks were actually on the plastic, not on the screen protector. So the screen protector is actually in better shape than I actually thought it was. So notice how there is really just this little area here and this little area here. So I'm going to take the squeegee and I'm going to squeegee away from the center, just like this. Then as I'm squeegeeing away, you'll notice how it's disappearing. So how that's almost gone. And as I'm doing that, I just want to squeegee outwards. Up here, I'm going to do the same thing, squeegeeing outwards, and I'm going to continue to do that. Okay, and then that looks good. Sorry about that. Check it out. Fantastic. All right, so this is what the screen protector looks like now. And I have to say, it is super easy. This was the very first time I tried installing the screen protector, so I hadn't done it before. I hadn't watched any videos. All I did was read the instructions and went through the process. And you saw, very, very simple to do. And when it comes to overall clarity, let's bring that up. That's what it looks like, guys. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put it in a case. So I have a UAG case that we're going to test this with. But you can see how I think that this is going to be fine in the case, as this is the edge right here and this is the edge over here, so it shouldn't have any issues. So let's see if it works in a UAG case next. Alright, so this is in my UAG case. See that right there? And then as we look right here, we'll look at the corners. It is case friendly, so you can notice the screen protector is there. It's not bumping up against it at all. And again, I'm telling you, very easy to install. Have to say that I think Spigen definitely has a winner with this easy installation tray. So guys, that concludes our review of the Easy Fit Tempered Glass Screen Protector installation system from Spigen. This is the easiest tempered glass screen protector that I have installed to date, and you can see how fantastic that looks. So this is definitely a thumbs up for Spigen. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.